So hi guys, I'm back again. I'm JaneRabena. So today we're going to do which is the title below, which is my everyday makeup tutorial or my everyday makeup look. So this is not just a school everyday makeup tutorial, but this is this look is whenever I go to other places except school. So I usually go out to the house like literally every day, or sometimes at home I just want to wear my confidence mask. So yeah, so if you haven't been subscribed to the Quick Cars family, just click the subscribe button, hit the like button in this video, and view my videos for more videos. I'm so sorry because I don't really feel well today because I just don't really feel well. Like, I'm sorry guys if I'm not hyper right now. So yeah. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm not just a pretty girl. So first things first, we're going to do is to do a some setting spray first, because we will achieve that velvet soft look. Because I tried the setting spray first and then the foundation at my boyfriend's face, so it becomes velvet, super velvet, like so super soft, super matte, like yeah. So we're gonna try it like right now, or I'm gonna spray it on my face like. And then I'm going to spray it on my sponge. Let it dry for a bit. So the setting spray is now fine. Just make sure that the setting spray is really fine, like there is no anything wet, anything. This is now okay. So let's go to our foundation, which is I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless in the shade of 220. Just going to put it on my here. So I'm going to use a flat brush, that I am not using a flat brush or something brush that would put it on my face. This one, flat brush, I think this one. And I'm going to put it on my face. Just gonna put it randomly on my face, like. So I have a big pimple here. Don't know why. Maybe I'm in love. So don't forget to put on your forehead. Especially, don't forget on the neck. Like, I'm gonna wipe it here. Afterwards, we're going to dab it. Did you see any difference between my face is really soft? Yeah. I usually took hours, or not hours, I mean minutes, to dab or blend foundation on my face. It's just nice, like it's just nice patting sponge over your face. Like, college is stressful. Like, I'm very sorry guys, but because I didn't film last week because I was very sick. Like, I can't do anything. Like, yeah. So my boyfriend told me I should not film because I'm really not well up until now. Like, I'm really sick. So we're done with the foundation. So I could feel my face that it's very soft and very velvet. Like, I could live with it. And the next one is we're going to do our brows. So I'm using this Fashion Brow Duo from Maybelline again. So yeah. So we're just gonna start at the end. So I'm not a good person who does eyebrows very well. I'm still practicing, you know. I'm not really good at eyebrows, like I'm just going to fill them up, like but guys, I'm always watching how to do eyebrows, like literally every day, and I try them. I always practice it. Or sometimes I'm just watching my friend doing miracles from another eyebrow. All I ever know about eyebrows is just you're just going to fill up those empty spaces, like so I'm going to use this end one, this end powder, my favorite part, like I don't know, this powder or this pen has magic. And the next one we're going to do is conceal everything we need to conceal, like our feelings for him. Just kidding. So I'm going to use this Fit Me Maybelline again concealer. So we're going to conceal our dark circles. Let's draw my boyfriend's name, even though his nickname. By the way guys, subscribe to his channel. His channel is about games, since he bought some PS4. So, since he bought a PS4 console, I didn't stop him. Yeah, that's... if he has something that he wants to be happy, like games and stuff, I won't stop him. Like, that is your happiness. That is your happiness. I will not interfere it. So, at the tip of our concealer, let's grab a flat brush, any flat brush you have, but a small one, not a big one. And we're going to do cleaning. Like, if you want to have a eyebrows on flick, you have to do this, like. So everything's clean. Yeah, we're good. I'm just kidding. So next one is I'm going to use this Fit Me foundation matte poreless in the shade of 222. Okay, stop it. You see, if you keep on using this 3-1, like, it's really matte on your face. Telling you guys, you just can't see it in personal, but you can see in the camera, right? So guys, afterwards we're going to use this ink fitting eye primer from Peripera. So you have seen if you have seen a lot of my videos from the past makeup tutorials, I'm using this one. So it is very essential to me. It's like, whatever happens, this stays long. Whatever eyeshadow you have, this primer really helps eyeshadows, eyeliners to make it last longer. So I'm going to put it up until the upper brows of mine. So let's begin with this Folklore eyeshadow palette. So this one, in the shade of Neutrals number 2. So we're going to dig in with this Treasure color. This one, this Treasure color. And then we will grab a brush, a yeah, of course, we're going to grab a brush. And then, let's dig in here. This treasure color. There. I just only use one eyeshadow. Like, I'm just going to blend it. And then next one is we're going to do is do some eyeliner to have a cute eyes. Like, if you want to attract guys. And if you see a good cute guy, if you see a cute guy passing through you, you should have a pretty face. So guys, we're just going to do a natural one. Like, what we're going to do is we're just gonna line it upwards, just like that. And then you're done. Just if you want to line more your eyes, like this one, like it's really fine. There. Cry. There. It's just natural, or I just want to make my eyes to look more smaller. So we're going to use the eyelash curlers. I'm going to crack and like, oh my god, Lord. No, I'm not gonna cry. I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl. I'm a big girl, I'm not gonna cry. Yeah. And then we're going to use this Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express. So, oh, I just love this. I love this sound. Don't you love this sound, guys? Don't you? I'm just gonna curl those lashes. And then next one is we're going to dig in, and I don't do contour one, so if you're expecting me to contour, I don't do such things. So next one is I'm going to use this Kylie blush and highlighter in the shade of Sweetheart. So this is the shade. Blush you have, like, make it a bit drunk to look like her drunk, like really drunk. So this Kylie, this is my first Kylie Jenner makeup, and whenever I dip this blush, like this happens all the time. Like whenever I go everywhere, like this is so pigmented. Just a big brush, so I wear every day. Like, it's really pigmented, guys. Like literally. I'm really red. My blush on is really red. Oh, Kylie. It won't go off. It really doesn't go off. The next one is on the Kylie one. We're gonna, so after the blush on that I had a hard time putting on and blending it all, so what we're gonna do is highlight. So I'm gonna dig in with this one and highlight my nose. Doesn't work. I'm just kidding, guys. So I'm going to grab this one and put it in here. Damn, girl. So next one is we're going to use lipstick, but for me, I don't use lipstick. I only use lip tint. So this is Aphrodite lip tint oh, this is only a lip tint. That usually here in the Philippines, there are a lot of entrepreneurs and business people make lip tints a lot. Like my friends are making lip tints and selling out lip tints. So yeah. I'm really into red lipsticks, not to nude lipsticks. Guys, this is the final look of my everyday makeup look. So it's really easy and really budget friendly, and you can find it on stores except Kylie. You can use other blush-ons or blushes. Yeah, so everything is very budget friendly, especially Folklore. It's only in a low cost, cheap price. Just visit Shopee. So yeah, and then if you're not yet part of the Koikars family, just click the subscribe button and make this video a like one. So if we've reached 30 likes, I guess we're going to do a 5-minute makeup tutorial, and a 5-minute makeup tutorial. So yeah, so hit the like button, guys. And if ever we reach 300 subscribers, we're going to have a big giveaway. So I just really want to thank you, especially to the people who keep on supporting me from the very start of my YouTube page up until now. So hi guys, so you're part of the Koikars family. I'm really happy that you've been supporting me all the way to become a YouTuber, guys. So this is the end of the video, guys. So see you tomorrow or later. So bye bye, guys.